Thanka is a special painting art of the Tibetan people. With great historical value, it's like a living history book, recording Tibetan history through pictures. The pigments for thanka are from natural minerals like gold, silver, cinnabar, and turquoise. They not only make the colors bright and long-lasting, but also have cultural meanings. Painting thanka is a careful and complex job. Artists first pick a canvas, stretch it on a frame, and make it flat. Then they draw outlines of Buddha figures and scenes according to old patterns, with smooth and accurate lines. Next, they color from light to dark, making the painting look deep. After that, they add more lines for details. Finally, they open the eyes of the figures and frame the thanka. Thanka holds deep history and culture. It shows the wisdom and art of the Tibetan people. It's a symbol of the national spirit. Thanka is not just art, but also a way to pass on a culture. It's special in world art and worth protecting and passing down.